Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Regina and I mostly do art videos. I paint with gouache and watercolor, and that's mostly what I do. But when I was in university, I did some printmaking, sculpture, and then what else did I do? Printmaking, sculpture, oil painting, those kinds of things. But right now, I only have watercolor, so that's what, and gouache, so that's what we're gonna be using for this video. But I decided to upload more often. Like, I tend to overthink things, so I'm trying to change that and do more action instead. Like, should I do this, that kind of thinking. Should I do this? Should I not do this? But then I feel better when I do something. So I guess I'm just gonna do something. So I'm gonna try this VLOGMAS thing, and it sounds really fun. So sometimes I'm gonna go and upload videos of me just drawing and do art videos. That's our dog Vanna. If you hear her in the background, that's Vanna. And yeah, I'm gonna just try to upload me talking and telling how my day went, which I don't really like sharing, but maybe it's a good challenge to do that and share more of stuff. So yeah, it's fun anyways. So it sounds fun to do that. Anyways, I'm gonna go do that, and sometimes I'm gonna go and upload art videos, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. So in this video, I'm painting some girls with green the scenery, a lot of leaves, and it was inspired by some Pinterest, artworks, paintings. There's so many good stuff in Pinterest, good artists out there to look for any inspiration you want. Hard to breathe. I guess I need to work out again. It's been really cold and I don't feel like working out. But anyway, so that's how my intro is. Anyways, okay, so
Ryan Little.
Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I guess this is me signing off. I just finished the painting tonight, and it's just full of green, but it's kind of cool too. I kind of like it. And I'm listening to Abraham Hicks, the Law of Attraction. But anyways, so yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully I keep getting used to uploading often and regularly, or at least every day for Vlogmas. But let's see, maybe I might miss some days, maybe I might not, but I guess the goal here is to just keep posting more often. So yeah, hey guys, bye, stay safe, and yeah.